Futures trading is risky and can result in substantial financial loss.
Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, traders from across the globe, and welcome to Short-Term Trading Live with Oscar. And we are happy to announce that today is our number 300. Our 300th video. See the fanfare, baby? We got it going. All right. Everybody simmer down. You know, little birdie whispered in my ear and told me that Kramer had a statement for the world yesterday on Mad Money magazine. And Kramer says technical analysis is a crutch. Can you imagine, traders? Think of the 300 videos I've presented to you and some of the literal magic that I've been able to produce using technical analysis. So I say, Kramer, and I respect you very much here, but I would love a challenge. I'd love to come on your show and sit down with you and show you some technical analysis that I know will make you scratch your head and say, whoa, maybe it's not a crutch. Let's leave it at that. I think I can get you to at least say that technical analysis is not a crutch. So Kramer, if you watch these videos, we're fans of yours here, but we'd love to come on the show and chat with you and show you that I'm telling you this technical analysis works really, really well. Yesterday, being Tuesday, we put a turnaround Omni out there. We told all the Omniacs that this market was ready to turn and that we needed to get long in the 1330s and look for this thing to turn. Now, you know me, I am not going to become bullish by any means for a long period, but I have no choice when the market sets up technically. That's technical analysis, Kramer. When the market sets up technically, I have no choice but to follow the technicals. And the technicals yesterday said, get ready for a turnaround on Tuesday and likely more coming on Wednesday. For Wednesday, we have a green Omni, baby. The Omni's green on our 300 video. This is Wednesday, 4/16/08. And we are looking for S&P and NASDAQ to do a little bit of a rally here. Now, traders, you know me. Don't fall in love with the upside, and remember that because I am not turning bullish. Yes, at some point we will absolutely become bulls. We were bulls on the way up. We've been bears on the way down, and we'd love to be bulls again on the way up. But for now, we're just going to play what we expect to be a dead cat bounce in a bearish market. But can't really sell one of those, right? We've got no choice but to buy into it. But I will tell you this, Omniacs who are watching, I will be very nimble with my long positions tomorrow. When it gives us profit, I am running for the hills because you know I am an uncomfortable long when I do get long this market. Now, yesterday, we used our risk management techniques, and traders, risk management is so important to surviving in this industry. We bought S&Ps in the 1331 area. Market ran up to 1338. We pulled our stops up from 1320, the low 1320s up to 1327. And lo and behold, it came back down, stopped us out for a small loss before it turned around and took off. So the turnaround was correct, and it did actually go up. But using risk management, we have no choice but to start pulling up sell stops and eliminating risk out of our trades. So we got tagged, but the direction was right. We also sold bonds yesterday and had a nice fat winner in bonds, which was way more than we lost in the S&P. So we still had an update, traders, right on the action following me out there. I know you had an update with us yesterday, so that was great. For tomorrow, we expect this thing to go higher. And I'm telling you again, Kramer, it's the technical analysis that gives us these trades. We don't follow the fundamentals in a way that we call trades off of them because you just don't know what you can believe. And if you're calling trades based on the fundamentals that stock companies let out, you know, Kramer, like we know, you can't trust these reports anymore. So I would imagine there's times where you're calling something based on a lot of good homework that you've done, and you get slammed by finding out that the books are cooked or what have you. And I'll tell you this, technical analysis shows that something's going to happen badly to a market or a stock or any commodity before it happens. So again, invite me out, Kramer. I'd love to show this to you. I'm telling you, it works really, really well. No joke. Ask the Omniacs that come around. So if you are up to the challenge, bring me out and let's sit down and talk, and I'll show you some really good stuff. All right. For tomorrow, baby, the green Omni, I'm going to get long and see what happens, traders. The S&P E-mini, the ESM8, Omni says to buy in the low to mid 1340s. Buy it in the low 1340s. Could even get into the 1339, 38 area, something like that. But I'd say if it gets near the 1340 mark or below, you want to get yourself long. Place your stops in a sensible place. Traders always use stops. Always place them first. If you don't know where to place your stops or exactly where to get in, make sure you come to our site. It's www.livewithoscar.com. Take out a membership, and then you will see the exact Omni, exactly where to get in, exactly where our stop should be placed, and exactly where we're looking to take profit, and then we give you flash updates with that. So traders, if you're lost out there, you know I tell you all the time, never trade alone. Don't trade alone. Don't try this alone. Come hang out with us. We have an army of Omniacs working to get this right together in unison every day. All right, back to the Omni. So we're looking to buy the 1340, 1339 area, 1337, somewhere down there we're going to get long. Omni's profit objective is the mid to high 1350s or be out by the close. We do expect some resistance as we cross the 1350 area. Into the low 1350s, I'd expect some resistance. But we are looking for this thing to pop a little bit, but nothing fantastic because I'm not a bull here. And again, I'm going to be nimble, so you Omniacs, be nimble with me. As soon as we can, we pull up our stops, and as soon as we can get out, we're going to get out because we're counter-trend trading. All right, traders, let's see what else we got going, baby. We got corn tomorrow. Corn's looking good here. We got a good Omni for corn. If you want to know what that is, come on down to the site and check out the Omni recommendation. We expect cotton to have a little bit of a rally as well. Traders, I know you've been reading the papers about the rice and the riots and how this world is trying to deal with these high-priced commodities and the shortages. And I don't think those shortages are going away anytime soon. So keep your eyes on these grains. Keep your eyes on the fundamentals about the grains. But really, the charts will tell you what those fundamentals have in store before they ever get released by the government, if it's a government report or what have you. The news comes out in the charts first, traders. All right, what else do I want to talk about? Again, don't fall in love with the upside. Traders, we're getting lots of videos with you traders doing a little quick clip of yourselves. Grab your phone, film yourself, grab a camera, have a friend do it. But we're getting videos of us Omniacs saying stops are in and emotions are out. And we're putting together a nice collage of those clips. So continue to send them in, traders. Hey, give a round of applause to everyone that sent in clips. Some of these clips are great. Well, they're all great. Some of them had me cracking up. So please send them in. You can send those videos to Oscar at futuresanalysts.com. We will definitely post those videos for you when we have a bunch of them together. Traders, as you know, we got the Mandalay Bay show coming up, baby. Mandalay Bay, the money show. And I'm going to throw that question at you right now, Mike. I see those eyes. How many days? Come on, think about it.
26.
26 days till the Mandalay Bay. Maybe he's right, maybe he's wrong. I'm not doing the math right now. I do enough of that during the day. But I know it starts on the 12th, 13th, 14th, and 15th of May. It's called The Money Show. We have a big booth there. We're going to be doing our show right from that booth at The Money Show. And we have speaking appearances on the 14th. So Omniacs, come on down, book your tickets and come to Vegas. Come to the Mandalay Bay show. We will hold some seminars. We'll do some private work for the Omniacs. And we'll all get to know one another better. So traders, make sure you come on down to the Mandalay Bay, baby. This is going to be a good show. All right. We do a radio show every Friday, traders. The last Friday, a bunch of Omniacs came and called in, and the show was great. Don't forget about our radio show we do every Friday, 9 a.m. to 11 a.m. OST Omni Standard Time. Tune into the radio. Come to the chat room. We'll give you the link. No problem. I'm sure it'll be on this video either above me or below me, wherever Mike wants to put it this time around. But take a look at the phone number. Call into the radio show and listen to us live and chat with us live on the radio every Friday between 9 and 11 OST Omni Standard Time. There's not much else I really want to do in this video. I think tomorrow is going to be a little bit of a tricky day, but we should get some sort of a Wednesday goose, and we'll see what happens. Remember, traders, we are still bearish until the markets give us something to tell us that we're bullish. So this is a quick trade. It's a counter-trend trade. So make sure you get out as quickly as you can. I'll say it again. I can't say that enough. I do not like getting long in a bear market. But hey, When the Omni turns green, baby, the buy orders go out. There's nothing else you can do about that. All right. So I think I'm going to get out of here now. You can give me a call anytime you'd like there or night. 702-629-4755. Guys, is there anything I'm forgetting out there?
I think you got it.
All right. Hey, speaking of our 300 videos, before I leave here, we have all 300 of those videos on our YouTube spot. It's www.youtube.com/Futures Analysts. When you get to that spot, subscribe to the videos, leave some comments, chat with the other Omniacs. Let me know what you think. I'll respond to your comments. All right, traders, I'm out of here. I'm going to do some trading. We'll see what happens in the morning. Don't forget, say this to yourselves every day, every morning, every afternoon, every evening. Keep your emotions out of trading. One of the best things I can do to help you, say this exercise to yourselves every day, throughout the day, especially when you're trading. And you know what that is? Stops are in. Emotions are out.
Futures trading is risky and can cause substantial financial loss. We do not claim or guarantee that you will profit from the information provided. That being said, I am a 24-year seasoned trader on and off the floors. This is how I've made my living for many, many years. Good luck trading.